work out aches and pains to those pesky coughs and colds, now's the time to take control of our health. As the cooler weather settles, wellness experts suggest making sure your medicine cabinet is stocked with the essentials. It's all about being prepared in case a sick day hits.
Absolutely no fun in having to go out once you're already sick. So going out right now and buying some tissues, buying disinfectants, which will help keep the germs at bay.
Wellness expert Cassie Sobelton says when we're healthy, most of us just don't think about sickness. Well, until this happens.
When we hear somebody cough or sneeze, or maybe we feel a little tickle in the back of the throat, it's like, oh my goodness, that's right, it's germ season.
Small, simple changes to your daily routine can make a big difference. Cassie suggests adding a little honey to your day. You heard it right, honey.
Honey has a host of wellness benefits, and adding that throughout my day is going to help me keep strong and stay really hydrated with putting it in waters, hot water and teas throughout the day.
But if sickness strikes, there's a great treatment with honey for that too.
Robitussin has recently come out with Robitussin Honey. It's really great. They've combined cough medicine, a proven cough medicine, with 19% True Source certified honey. So it's the best of both worlds.
Learn more healthy tips at robitussinhoney.com.